If you've ever wanted to quickly check your own activity history on Steam or see what your friends have been up to, this video is for you. In this simple guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to view yours and friends' activity history in just a few clicks. This is a great way to catch up on recent updates, see game-related activity, and browse through the timeline without digging through menus. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy how-to videos just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look at the top menu and click on your profile name. This will take you to your Steam profile area where you can access more detailed account activity. From there, find and click Activity. This is the section where Steam shows activity updates from you and your friends. Once you open it, you'll be able to see a feed of your own activity as well as your friends' activity in one place. It's a simple way to stay updated without needing to search manually. Now, if you want to look further back, just scroll down through the page. Steam organizes the activity in timeline order, so as you scroll, you can view older posts and past events one after another. This makes it easy to review everything from recent updates to earlier activity history. If you're checking for something specific, take your time and move through the timeline slowly so you don't miss anything important. And that's really all there is to it. By opening Steam, clicking your profile name, selecting activity, and scrolling through the timeline, you can easily view yours and friends' activity history anytime you want. It's quick, it's simple, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.